As we all know, that Canva introduced new features into its platforms. Today, we're going to look at Code 2.0. Code 2.0 entails all about coding, how you can use AI to generate websites, mobile apps, etc. So today, we're going to create a fintech website using Canva code. So go to Canva AI, click on code, then paste our prompt. Now today I'm going to paste a prompt. Create an interactive fintech app dashboard. The name of the fintech app is Credix. Show transfer method. Green colored is preferred. Mostly green colored is mainly used for fintech apps. So I'll submit. To now generate the codes. It's generating the codes now. We're done. This is our website. Look at it. This is our website. This is our website. Now we'll now come here to publish the website. Now here now you can see sub patch. If I want to give it a link, what I'll do is just to click here. I'll type Predix B. I'll now publish. We are good to go. Now let's view it on web. It's loading. This is our fintech website. Now here now you can type account number 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. You can here type 20,000. You come down, narration, can say food, sent, transfer completed. Now mostly you see this is a dollar sign. Mostly you can still go back to the prompt and give you can still go back to Canva and give it a specific instruction that you want the currency to be in euro, to be in naira, to be in sefa, to be in rands like those in South Africa. That's just for it. This is Canva code 2.0. You can also let's see how it looks on mobile. This is how it looks on mobile. This is our mobile here. This is how it looks on mobile. That's just it. Very simple. Thank you.